Hey everyone, it's Maddie at liftedtrucks.com. This month's featured vehicle is a custom 2024 Toyota 4Runner Premium Off-Road Edition. We're excited to announce our new partnership with Icon Vehicle Dynamics. Icon is a leader in high-quality off-road suspension products, and this setup really makes this 4Runner shine. The ride is incredibly smooth on and off-road, and the more aggressive stance gives this 4Runner a great look. It features an Icon 3-inch Stage 2 lift kit with upper control arms, 17-inch KMC wheels, and a set of Nitto Ridge Grappler tires. It's also loaded with options, including a large touchscreen display, sunroof, and much more. Lifted Trucks offers a wide variety of trucks, SUVs, and Jeeps. Everything from luxury to aggressive off-road, we really do have something for everyone. Now with locations in Arizona, Texas, and Alabama, we have over 850 trucks, SUVs, and Jeeps to choose from, and we ship nationwide. For more information on this vehicle or any others, log on to liftedtrucks.com. That's liftedtrucks.com.